Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to change Paybis account's password. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change your Paybis account's password, then first, tap open your Paybis application from your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you are, from the main homepage of Paybis Wallet, tap the hamburger menu at the top right. From the options displayed, tap on Profile Settings. Right under Security, tap on Change Password. Enter your current password in the first text box. Make sure to enter your password correct. Once you enter your current password, go to the next field and type in the new password you would like to change to. After you do that, retype in the password in the last text box and make sure to enter the same password you just created. After you are done changing your password, tap Save Changes. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for your Paybis account. Next time you log into your wallet, make sure to enter the new password that you just changed to. Hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.